Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question on your screen. We have to find the value for x. The question is 6 minus x power 4 plus 8 minus x power 4 equal to 16. How we can solve this question? So we have to reduce this equation by changing the variables. So what I can do, I can change the variable by making a substitution. That is, suppose y equal to 6 minus x plus 8 minus x divided by 2, this way. And you can see this is y equal to 14 and minus 2x divided by 2 over here, and this is y equal to, I can take common, so 7 minus x divided by 2, so this is 2 to cancel, so we have y equal to we have 7 minus x, and then here x is equal to 7 minus y. So I'm just going to substitute here this value over here. How? So this way. 6 minus x is there, so minus 7 minus plus, that is y power 4 plus 8 minus x is there, so 7 plus y power 4 is equal to 16, and it is coming y minus 1 power 4, and here y plus 1 power 4, that is equal to 16 over here. Now this equation can be reduced to y to the power 4 minus 7 plus 6y square, and that is equal to here 0 over here. I can solve this equation in this way. So here we have y to the power 4 plus 6y square minus 7 equal to 0 over here, and now I can factorize here. So after factorizing, I will be higher y square plus 7 into y square minus 1, so that we'll have 6 here, that is coming here 0. Now what I'm going to do here, you can see easily either this one will be equal to 0 or either this one will be equal to 0. So it is y squared plus 7, that could not be equal to 0 because we don't have real value for y here, because y square is coming negative 7. So I'm just going to reject it, and here I have this value, that is y square minus 1 is equal to 0 over here. So y minus 1 and y plus 1 equal to 0, so y minus 1 equal to 0, so y equal to 1 here, and here we have y plus 1 equal to 0, so y equal to negative 1. So y equal to, we have negative 1 values, and for y equal to 1 I can have x equal to 7 minus y, so y is here 1, so x equal to here 6 coming, and here we have y is equal to that is x equal to 7 minus y, so 7 and minus here, so x equal to over 8. So we have two values for x here, that is, first result is x1 is coming here 6, and another value for x is coming here 8. So these two are our solution, this one. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.